Good day, everyone. Learn how to stop laptop waking up automatically in Windows 11. So this happens by three main reasons, and I will cover all. So here, firstly, we need to open the device manager. So I'll do a right click and I'll go to device manager. And now we need to look for network adapters. So if you're using Ethernet, then you need to go to the Ethernet section like this. And if you're using Wi-Fi, then just do a double click on your Wi-Fi. Now in the power management, now in this computer, it doesn't have the power management. In your computer, if you have the power management, then you need to uncheck that thing which says allow this to wake up your computer. You just need to uncheck that and apply and OK. The next thing which you can do by mice and controllers. So you can, whatever the mouse you have, just do a double click on that and then go to the power management and uncheck that allow this device to wake up this computer. Do the same thing for the second computer, second mice. Now the most important part is, I'll show you exactly where exactly it is, control panel. Then once the control panel is opened, select view by large icons from the top right corner and then go to power options. And whatever the plan you have selected, just click on change power plan and then click on this change advanced power settings, and then you will find sleep. Okay, and here we need to disable allow wake up timers. So there is a plus sign which is very minute, very small. I'll just expand it and it says on battery disabled, plugged in, enable. So on battery it is disabled and plug-in is enabled. So disable according to your preference. So by doing these things, you can stop your laptop waking up automatically, whether it's a Windows 11 or Windows 10 or even any other older version of Windows. You can try these three steps and do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If this tutorial is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.